really good. There are a lot of amazing stuff that Canva has to offer. So here we go. We can now start editing this file now, and then hello guys, welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can edit PDF on your laptop or your PC or desktop. It will be the same thing anyway as long as you have the same operating system. So I have here this PDF file that is, when I open it, it's automatically set to open by WPS Office. Now it's a different kind of Office software that's similar to Microsoft Office, and this one, it's like, you know, Adobe Acrobat. And as you can see, if you look here on the top, there is a way to edit the PDF, but only, so as you can see, you can be able to edit it, change the words, but it does not save unless you have the upgraded version of this application, which is WPS Premium. So let's not use that because it's premium and we're broke, we don't have the money. So we're just gonna go right click and go open with and go choose another app, and then let's find Microsoft Word if you have Microsoft Word. Well, if you also don't have Microsoft Word, then don't worry, I will have other options for you in a while. So it says now Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. So let's just go click OK, and it will now set our file into an editable Word document. As you can see, it's amazing how that works. You just click on enable editing, click OK, and now we can start editing this file as if it was a Word file right in the beginning, which it was actually. So now we can set it to hello, change it to like ending, whatever. And now we just want to bring it back to its Word file, this PDF file origin. So earlier we just go to file, save it as, go to browse, and then you see that there's a Word document, save as file, type here, go to PDF, and then let's maybe add some number here, so make it numerical. And we shall have the same file, but now with changes, right? If we go back to the same folder earlier, we now have the number 2 over here, and this is it being opened. Hello, right? So it's now a PDF file, and once again you will be able to change it. So another way that you can do it though is if we go here to search up on our browser, we can go to edit PDF, and most of these websites here are for free, so you don't need to worry about paying Microsoft Word or WP Office Premium. Oh, I'm back, and the internet connection is back. So as you can see, these are the results that have appeared when we search edit PDF, and there are a lot of websites that you can use. So I usually use Canva too. I don't know if it's free, but yeah, you can use Canva. And if you want, you can head over, let's use Canva for this one. And if you head over down to the description, the video description down below, you'll see that there is a link to Canva to be able to try Canva Premium for free for a few days before you regret it. You know. So what we just need to do is just upload your PDF, and then it's just this one. And now it's now uploading our file to Canva. And again, like I told you, if you use Canva Pro, you'll be able to use a lot of features that Canva has to offer. And I will testify it's really good. There are a lot of amazing stuff that Canva has to offer. So here we go. We can now start editing this file now, and then all just need to go to share and then download it again as a PDF file like it was earlier. Now again, there are other options aside from Canva. Guys, I love PDF, and small PDF became greedy. Oh no. Okay, so just use Canva. I suggest Canva. So I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.